After the heartbreak of losing almost everything in the floods last week, some Queensland residents have been dealt a further blow, this time from their insurance companies. Many who thought they were covered are now being left to foot a hefty damage bill as insurers dispute their claims.
The flood spared no one in this Ipswich street. Every house went underwater. Bill and Maria Gilbert took out flood cover. Now they're being told this wasn't a flood.
To me, that was a flood. I mean, you're not going to say the river rising of 2011, are you?
No.
Yeah.
You hear on the radio they're all talking about the flood that we had. We didn't have a flood. We just had a river rising.
Yeah, according to our insurance company.
They'll tell you it was a river rising, not a flood.
The dispute is in the insurance policy wording. Some companies don't cover riverine or inland flooding when rivers or dams break their banks. In this case, the Gilberts will get nothing.
We're all in the same boat. It's all different companies. People thinking they're insured, they ring up and they find out they're not.
The flood's a flood. No matter where it comes from, if either the river rises or it comes down out of the sky, it's still a flood. You know, it's fine print.
Arthur Sugden thought he had 100% flood cover for his home and contents. He did, but he says the maximum payout is only $15,000.
Had I known that to start with, I would never change insurance companies.
So far, 12,000 people in Queensland have made claims. Those who do have insurance are being told to photograph items and get documentation. That's impossible for some.
I'm lost anyway when coming to that. I have no idea.
The insurance industry will come under intense scrutiny when the Royal Commission investigates its conduct. But long term, there are calls for changes in the way companies handle themselves, as well as pressure on the Queensland government to put in place a better plan of attack. Clarke, ABC News, Ipswich.